Look at this painting. The painters are farmers and they depict rural life and farming. I'm now in Tianbei village of Wan'an County, East China's Jiangxi province. This village has hosted the National Farmer Painting Exhibition for 4 times. It is also an art creation base for several universities. How do the farmers' painting contribute to the rural revitalization in the village? Let's take a look. Tianbei is famous for its farmer painters. 54-year-old Luo Xiaoqing is one of them. 罗老师你好。
你好，你好。
您在画什么呀？
我在画我们这里，田北化村附近的一个小景。
Luo is not only good at painting, but also eager to make short videos of his drawing process and share them on social media platforms.
我们是从小就喜欢画画，我们村里面呢就一直有这个传统。但是因为呢生活压力，那个时候要去赚钱，要去做生意，我们没有工作嘛。后来等自己差不多生活条件好了以后，然后我就组织了一些画友，又重新把那个画这个事捡起来，专门画一些农民生活的一些场景。我平时就在村里面附近的地方，有的时候写生啊，或者是说感觉蛮有趣的事，我就把它画下来，也记下来。像这个就是在我们二期那个有一个土墙的篱笆，然后几个房子，我结合那个画出来是很漂亮。乡村振兴以后，那些乡村都很漂亮。从我这些画面里面就能感觉到，现在乡村农村都很漂亮。
In 2013, the government of Wan'an County was committed to building Tianbei Village into an integrated industrial base for farmer painters in which people can engage in art creation, exhibition, training and selling, as well as art-related tourism.
我主要是在外面搞一些那个新农村壁画，那个乡村振兴嘛，一年大概就是10多万的样子。
Walking in Tianbei Village feels like strolling through a painting. Farmers' paintings are visible everywhere. The village is picturesque and tidy, and it seems that every aspect of it could be captured in a painting.